I'm a AAA rated executive protection agent. And you're the most wanted hitman in the world. My job is to keep you out of harm's way.
I'll be safer on my own.
I hope they kill him, I really do.
Suspects are on the roof.
No odds in that, John. Just gotta find a more intelligent way.
No, mother!
Holy. Okay, on 3. 1. My bad. You're bad.
Jesus Christ! Really? What happened to the seatbelt rule? Nobody gets out alive.
That's really beautiful, man. You ever just write stuff down, you know? Maybe, I don't know, throw down a haiku or two.